The ghost in the feed, slaves to the trend, 05, closed ending, the deleted page. The city was a vast, tangled web of concrete and steel, its veins pulsing with the hum of late-night traffic and the glassy eyes of omnipresent CCTV. Noah stood alone on the dim rooftop, fog swirling like a spectre. Rain reeked in the air, chill crept through his coat to the bone. Minutes before midnight, London thrummed with digital static, an invisible tide washing over him. His heart hammered, breath shallow, palms slick. The truth had uncoiled, no shadowed puppet master, but an algorithm, a recommendation engine unleashed by a media conglomerate with global eyes. He had pictured a server room and grim figures. The reality was sterner, inhuman, a network that molded his days. Likes, shares, desperate clicks reduced to data points in an experiment. Noah's laptop perched on the ledge, its clinical glow his only companion. Fingers trembled across keys. To destroy the machine, he must disrupt the feed, send a shock through the system. The clock slid to midnight. First raindrops tapped metal. The screen flickered, hesitated, and went dark. In that silence, Noah realized the world was watching.